Hi, I'm Alison Beere of AlisonBeere.com, and today we are looking at deep practice examples in cartooning. Deep practice is when you zoom in on a small part of what you're copying and you correct the details one tiny part at a time. And so here I'm looking at the muzzle because that is where things are going on here. I'm looking at the size of the muzzle circle in relation to the entire size of the head. Then I'm looking at the size of the nose in relation to the rest of the muzzle. And finally, I'm looking at the position of the nose circle in relation to the muzzle circle. So we're going to redraw this copy now and make a bigger head, reposition the muzzle circle, reposition the nose circle. So here I go with redrawing the head, and as you can see, I've made it much, much bigger. Now I'm positioning the muzzle circle correctly. And finally, where am I going to put the nose circle and what size is it going to be? I'm going to put it closer to the top and bigger than it was in my... Now it's time to compare everything to the original again and see how different it is. So looking at my copy versus the tracing on the far left, we can see it's still not absolutely perfect, but we can always do it all over again. Practice, practice, practice on tiny little areas of what you are trying to perfect. This is deep practice, and it really builds skills very quickly. Did you like this video? If you did, please give it a thumbs up here on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like even more tips and a free micro course that I only give away on email, head on over to my website, www.alisonbeere.com, and sign up for my newsletter there. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.